open AutoCAD in new call new, and then units UN enter. Okay, and annotate that table ribbon and link data, and then I give you is a link. So create new is a data link, and then you want to you may get for a name. Okay, and then the pocket window open and click here, and you must choose your Excel sheet. Drawing this sheet is you prepare sheet, must be your prepared sheet. Okay, and then open and niche, click main range. Main range is the Excel sheet page. Isn't there? I remember this sheet, so I insert A1 to S19. Okay, and then we call the table and select the from data link, and then launch data link manager, and your sheet name click on OK, and then OK, which waits a moment, and then table is appear. Okay, and you want to adjust. So six, no? My name six. So you open the Revit thing, and then you go to your sheet. This page I show you example, and then you insert the link. My sheet manual center open. Yes, when you see, you can see, and then you make it scale. The hypermark isn't contained in this table, so you type manually from the annotators and dash and hyphen. Five and 3. And then you make copy. So that is a very easy way. I guess you understand this step. Okay, bye bye.